Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya Unit haga janmi jong khalai trek uyayong kalawan sakmat ban penpau ba kam dan kanu ke jing Thmu haga bai dei bat ki kam san perthai hadien ke jing patha jong ka office menteri rang ba do kari ban rakhi ke digital India day haga wei pat kataring kinai lam ke BJP Meghalaya kelai tho ba ka sarkar pedang kala pedang ya ki jing ajing mut ban nam pelong show ya katai kesngi rakhi digital India day haga khatsau trek uyayong kabaya tengku bat kasngi kentang ki reu ngai kristan kaba ki rakhe ya kasngi tho dieng bakhot kabadi kasngi hakaba la sanar phna ya uji sukres hawe kran chikilat pathai khubor u general secretary ka BJP uba David Kharsati ulayathu bakilayo priang ya ko hukum kabla tha na ka office u menteri rangba du kari u Narendra Modi Lyngba u chief executive officer ka NITI ayok kabla ailat ya ki laitli ki jala kata ya ka Meghalaya Manipur bat Nagaland ban rakhi ya ka India Digital Day ha kinu sngi ki bak sarkar jala jong kini ki lightly ki jala ki kwa ban rakhi ka Bharatiya Janata Party kala pen pawru ikaching ai khublai yo menteri rang ba du kari halor ka jinglong lakloi ban juba halor ka jing sokhya ban penlong ya ka India Digital Day ha ka sngi ka bali ha pringkat bat ka sngi tho dieng ba khoj bat kumju ru ha ka sngi kha jong kpa ki riti sanchar kari u Dr. Bitar Ambedkar.
On knowing and understanding the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya, we from the state of party Meghalaya, we has tried our best to request the office of the Prime Minister yesterday evening till 8 o'clock. Mr. Gagan Jain and one of our full-time worker from Delhi also they have tried to communicate to the office of the Prime Minister, and then thankfully we are really grateful. We are very thankful of our Prime Minister who have responded immediately. And today he has given a special consideration, taking into the account of the sentiment of the Christian. So this they have given us the official order that for this digital dhan mela or digital day, which we simply call, it has been exempted from the states of Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. So we on this part we really thankful to the office of Prime Minister and his team who has react and act so fast so that the people of Meghalaya they should not misunderstand.
Uba David Kharsati ulong baka jing penpena ban rakhi ka India Digital Day kabadai kabala penpena lupa nadu usnam baladem handrai shim la poi perkhan ban ya tengkho bat kasngi tho dieng bakhoj ula penpau baka jing Thmu pensngau ya pher Niam kidai tangki buat jong Dr. Mukul Sangma u menteri rang ba ka jala ban sim kabu ban pensu thu baklai ki pat ba ka jala.
So in fact this date it's not fixed only recently. This date has been fixed long time back, but last year only. But when they fixed, nobody react, and then we also really from our party we are not going through the calendar. When the order came from Delhi, so many people react. This is something very sad to see that I would like to mention Honorable Chief Minister Mukul Sangma. He taking too much advantage, and then he played the sentiments of the people also. So see, we are the party. We are trying our best to respect all the community, all the religion, but that sentiments also we have to understand. We should not be driven by sentiments all the time also. So, but this is very sensitive issue. We also we feel that if Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, and few Christian Christian brothers in the country also has to be respect. Wherever they are, it has to be respect. We have sent that message to the Prime Minister. So Prime Minister he has responded through this department of Niti Ayog, dear Mr. Amitabh Khan, he has sent this letter addressed to the Chief Secretary that on account of Good Friday, state government are facing on the issue about organizing Dichi Dhan Mela on 14 April. It has been decided that Dichi Dhan Mela may be held on any other date convenient to the state government of Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. So this is the official letter we have received through the Chief Secretary. So we are really thankful to our Prime Minister and his team, and we hope that through your valuable words and news that people of Meghalaya also should understand that our responsibility, our concern about all community of people in India.
Is it because the 3 states are going to elections?
No, 3 states are not going to election. Let me correct you. It's only Meghalaya and Nagaland which is going to election. Yeah. But it has nothing to do with election. If it has only to do with the sentiments of the majority states, because this program was meant for the government employees mostly to propagate the digital payment platform. It was meant for mostly government and bank. So considering that they would have to come on a day which they would be otherwise going to church, that was the major issue, and that is why it was specifically meant for these 3 states, because it would be impossible for the government employees to compromise on their religious activity on this solemn day and come to work. So that is the main reason.
That's why we said immediately yesterday whole night that request should be relief for the Christian dominated states.
And if it wasn't for our initiative yesterday, this letter wouldn't have come out. So I think we deserve some credit at least that we could push it through. We really worked hard and we made so many phone calls, so many emails, so many requests. Then only this has happened. So you please give us some credit, give us some room for this.